Now, dear, let's smash back in.
What do you mean when you said they're not like my brothers and sisters?
Well,
What is different?
well, for one thing, I'm sure you can swim much better than they can.
You really think so? What else?
You must try to remember it's on the inside that counts, not on the outside.
What's marmalade?
Marmalade is orange dessert often found on toast.
No, what's marmalade?
Oh, my. Ida. Listen to me very carefully, love. I want you to walk towards me very slowly. No sudden moves.
What are you talking about?
There's something behind you. Something not very nice.
I know, dear. This is your son.
Ah, I've created a monster.
There's nothing much. He's just not your regular run around the mill palms up. That's all.
That's all? Ida, I have a reputation.
I know, dear, and I wouldn't brag about it if I were you.
I tell you, he's a turkey.
He's not a turkey. He loves the water.
Cranberry sauce.
See, he didn't even flinch. Now, come on, children. Let's get spruced up to go see the duckyard and all of its splendors. Drake, stop staring at me.
Look at him.
Come on, children. Let's not make a fuss.
Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Then you like kisses and shout, silly humble fun. All of the impossible, he's a special son. Come along, all of you now. Stay close to me at all times, or you may get trodden on. Beware of the cat.
Look at him. Legs are back in, his knees are not. Look at him. That looks like he's the eggshell shop. Bet the neighbors screaming out when they see our crew. He's about this waterfowl. Why are you so rude? Look at you, look at me, what's it matter? Why do I make you all laugh and scoff? Have you seen your reflection? Why don't we play with the fishes? Because you scared them off. Wait. Now that's what I Look at him. Still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him. Finest nephew that I ever saw. There's still hero being missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him the chop.
Now, in a moment, you will be presented to her grace, the most distinguished duck of the league. You will notice she has a red knitted cloth around her leg. She was once paired with a mandarin, and she's chosen by both men and animals.
But remember, children, turn your toes in quickly and just say,
Quack, quack, quack.
Look at him. Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long?
he's my son and I love him. Don't you see what you've done? You're to blame. This duckyard would be so boring if we all looked the same.
Look at him, and the Nicholas not your kid. Looking on him as a brother. Look at him, that's a little bit total dig. He's worse than any other.
Body work designed for shot. Prospects reading.
He should form a solo flock. Look at him,
your class's music harder, now is he?
Oh, I wish the others wouldn't pick on him so. He'll turn out fine as he gets older.
Well, he always works trying, my dear. I only wish I could have produced a brood of my own this year.
I heard about that, Your Grace. So tragic.
He was a fine subject, Mandarin, but alas, he became crispy and aromatic before his time. Still, I understand how Marine comes to the farmhouse when fresh bread onto the water.
To try, you have to try it. It's much better than the usual stuff. Even the crust is nice.
Well, come on, children. Let's try it.
Make way for the red bandage up.
Honk!
Ivan, you are going to have to do something about that honk.
Oh, look, croissants. Get back. You're too big for your age already. It's not fair. I'm hungry too. Why are you picking on me? Walk, walk, walk. Ow! Walk, 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 walk. Ow! If they knew just how dearly I would love to walk, walk, walk. Ow! But it's true. I'm a bird who seems to lack the net. I'm just different. I'm just different from the rest. And you can blame them wanting me to find another nest. But different isn't naughty. Different isn't bad. So why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. But different isn't scary. Different is no threat. And though I'm still their brother, they forget I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I'm like these grubby feathers, and I hate the stubby beak. There's a grunt in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you, your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks may well be funny, but I heard the same inside. Different isn't naughty, different isn't wrong. So why should being different make me sad? I only want to get along. Different tables. Different could be swell. Different is just, well, different. Hello, Ducky. Who are you? I'm your friend. I haven't got any friends. Everyone hates me because I'm ugly. Oh, they're too cool. I think you look delicious. What you say? I mean, poultry can be so delicious. Look at them, guzzling all that bread. It's supposed to be really nice. It's French. A la Roche. Do you mean to say that they never let you have any? Not a problem. Ooh, that says it then. Oh, Chisholm, on me. Do you mean it? You really are a friend. Of course I am. Now just follow me. I better tell my mother. Oh, no, you mustn't. I really think I should. Listen, we won't be gone for long. What harm can we do? And you're hungry, aren't you? Yes, I am. Well, that makes the two of us. Well, if you're sure. I'm quite sure.